That's what we faced with the same one where we looked at it.
Omusomo ogu nigwija ku marebero 5 kandi niguhindura hari mu buku irrigation scheme.
So we are organizing this training of trainers on utilization of soil moisture and nutrient monitoring tools under a project that we call the ICRA project. The ICRA project is accelerating impacts for CG climate research in Africa. And we have realized that water scarcity is a big problem in our member countries, our ASARECA member countries in Eastern and Central Africa. And irrigation is one of the ways through which we can enhance agricultural productivity.
Kasese district is a district that is vulnerable. We are always experiencing times of dry spells during the planting time, and because of that there's always struggle for water.
Abahingi nibasiiba nibashomesa obw'enkoresa y'ebyoma eby'omurembe okubahwera okutungura obuhingi n'oburiisa.
The climate smart soil moisture and monitoring tools that we are talking about now, it's in a form, it's a set. There are almost, you can say, around 4. The first one is chameleon sensor array. This one, it measures soil moisture at different depths, 15, 30, and 45. And the farmer will determine irrigation, the loss of water at each depth after seeing the colors in those depths. I said if it's red, there's no moisture. If it's green, there's moisture. And if it's blue, there's adequate moisture.
And once production and productivity increases, then our people are able to get money, and then we lift them from the subsistence economy to the money economy.
Mu buku irrigation scheme eina abahingi barukurenga 6 abarukoresa enkora y'okwitiirira ebihingwa kandi mukuru w'entebe ya 5 ahabwa Kasese asimire government okubafaho omu kutungura eby'obuhingi n'oburiisa omu district.
It is our prayer that if we can reach as many farmers in regard to that micro scale, we would be grateful.
Gasha kwa Daniel Bingana omuri Kasese.